Hello from Western North Carolina. I haven't posted. I haven't had much internet. I think we had it for like 12 hours. We were without power for 5 days. And it's been, not cool around here. And how's the best way to put this? I camp all over Pisgah. Mortimer, 181. Boone, Blowing Rock, everywhere. Wiseman's View. If you watch my videos, I camp in Western North Carolina because I live here. It's close. It's my backyard. But, I'm not going to record anybody's tragedies right now. I wouldn't want somebody to come here and record my house if it was, totally destroyed. I wouldn't want people to see me, full of, that's people's stuff. That's people's lives, and I'm not recording it. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm just different. I don't want the views from that. I'm not going to use this to do stuff like that. I'm not showing you where bodies were found, not unless it's to help the police or help loved ones find their families. I'm not going to be posting any of our tragedy. There's plenty out there for everybody to see. Do I think you should help? Yeah, if you can help, find the best donation that you think's the best for you. It's not for me to tell you where to donate money or who to donate it to. It's not my place to guide you in that direction. Water and stuff. And there's plenty of people still without power. And there's a lot of sadness, and there's a lot of people touched by this. I just don't think it's my place to film it. It's not what I need views for. And thank you for everybody that's donated to Western North Carolina. We've done good. We did lose our food in the refrigerator and just, normal stuff like that. And it's just heartbreaking. It's very heartbreaking for so many people. There's a lot of people that need your help. So if you want to donate, donate. Donate your time. Donate whatever you feel like you want to donate. But, it's totally different, and my whole world has changed, and where I will be camping will probably not be around here for a while. But anyway, I love y'all. Thank you. And for the people that wrote, thank you. I'm doing fine. My family's doing fine. My barn house is still up. If you don't know, I live in my parents' old barn that I converted to a house 3 years ago. And it made it through it, and it's still standing. And until I'm able to have internet to post a video, I will keep on recording until then. I love y'all, and see ya.